So, the point of mission, vocation in Capricorn. Capricorn is like the 10th house, is the domain of public, and now here we have the sun directly here, and with the possibility to influence the public life, the now rigid, old, capitalistic, imperialistic, colonial rule that is haunting the whole planet, and we are able here to break it up, to challenge it. Of course, there's this opposition. There will be conflict also, verbal conflict, hopefully, yeah, only. And so we have here the domain of family, which is equivalent to Cancer. And it's in Cancer. Moon is best in Cancer. The mother sign, you may know the image of the Madonna, of the Mother of God. And that's the domain of Cancer. And she often is depicted as standing on the moon, and she's also called Stella Maris. Cancer is the first water sign in the zodiac. And then we have here in the Hawaiian Island, we have the sign rising is just in the beginning of Taurus. Taurus is equivalent to the second house, which is the domain of our possessions, how we are grounding ourselves on planet Earth, yeah, where we live, and all this, you know. And now here we have in the first house we have Uranus in a very, very, very beautiful 120-degree angle to Sun. Now I repeat myself for the umpteenth time that all what you see here that is red is conflict. When it's opposition, it's open conflict. When it is square, it's somebody who's attacking you from the side, and you don't even really see what the person or the force is doing. And so we have a square of red lines with two oppositions, which are enforced by what is called conjunctions, when planets or celestial landmarks are very close together or on top of each other, like here. Here's on top of each other. And Sun and the point of vocation, of mission, profession, also Sun is just at that point. That means it's very, very strong. And here gets help from Uranus in the first house. And Uranus stands for very, very, very sudden changes. This is a reading for all Earth protectors who are relating to the Mauna Kea as the navel of their world. And it's for Monday, the 13th of January. And like particularly for this area of the world, there's so many fantastic new moon and full moon reports by so many fantastic astrologers. This one is particularly for the Hawaiian Island and close to the Mauna Kea. And as you see, what is so particular is that here we have, this is called the part of fortune, and it says where one best can work to release karma. And right here, where I stay, yeah, in this tiny fleck on land, in the vast ocean, we have this point directly in conjunction, meaning on top of the point of partnership or enemies. And you see this big, big red square, yeah? It's not quite, sorry, it's not quite very, here is not quite on point, but you see the basic pattern. Of course, we always have an opposition at full moon. And here it is interesting that, and that is worldwide, of course, that Mars is so close to the moon. So the moon is going to activate Mars, and also the moon is so close to the point of family, our original family. So we have Moon and Mars in the 4th house, and then we have Mars in a not very strong, but after all a square to this part of fortune. And then we have the Sun is in conjunction with the point of mission and quite close to Pluto. So Pluto has already ventured into Aquarius finally, so we have this materialistic time of oh, I'm sorry, the materialistic time of Aquarius is over.